So, me fixing everything, and I'm getting white hair. Not because of the CO2 laser. So today I'm gonna hook up the water cooling on the CO2 tube on a k40 laser. I never did it before, so keep in mind that I don't know what I'm doing. But I will show you what you need to do. First thing, find the inlet and outlet of the pipes. It's already written on the back, in and out. The in and out, they go on the tube. That's the in, that's the out. If it doesn't write, follow them. So what I'm gonna do now, we'll just leave them like so, and I'll close the lid. Then we'll keep the water underneath it right there. What you need to know, and don't forget it because I was going to, you need to use distilled water. 100% distilled water, okay? Maybe antifreeze if it's going to freeze, but no tap water, no chance. Only distilled. Okay, so speed up the video and I will show you my get-to plan with the water supply. Initially thinking to be in a bottle, but after that it's gonna be in this 10-liter thingy. What is called? You know, so the pump can be submerged in distilled water, and the lid is gonna be like so. Now, let's move the laser underneath. So we have the right one is in and the left one is out. I don't think it's gonna be long enough. It's not going to be long enough. Maybe I'll need to extend it a little bit, or I'll have to put the bucket next to it. Give me some time. So what I did, I run the pipes on the back, and if you see down here, we have, this is the return line, and this is the in line, you know, the coming in line, and that's the cable of the pump. So if we have a look inside, if you ask me how did I got the cable, I chopped it because it was a UK style, and I needed the other plug. So you want this pipe to be fully submerged in water, because otherwise you end up with air every time you stop the pump. And if you have air in the tube, that's bad. It might cause airlock somewhere in the tube and burn it from the heat. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll top it up with water, and you will check for leaks. So that's ionized water, 5 liters. I think it's like gallon and a half. Let's see. I washed the bucket very well. I didn't check the bucket for leaks. Let's hope there is no leaks. Okay, and in the winter I'll just top up with antifreeze. So now we have, I'll just put a bit more, so it's up to here. I think that's gonna be plenty. Now I'll leave the lid open and I'll turn the pump on, and when I turn the pump on, I'll check the lid for leaks on the back. I think the pump is on. You can see it's pumping water in. And now we'll see for any leaks. You can see the water coming in. It will need some time to get all the bubbles out. Can you see how it's not full with water right here on the neck? I can't see any leaks, which is very good. We still have air right here. If you leave the, I think we can see some air right here as well. Let's see on the bottom. I had to make a little connection on the pipes here. The pipe was not long enough. If you can see bubbles coming, as you can see them, this means that there is still air in the system. So just let the pump run for a little while, and after 5 minutes we're gonna inspect if we still have bubbles. After 5 minutes we can see that there is no bubbles coming from the pipe. The pump is currently working. No bubbles. And there is a small, you can see it, but there is a small air bubble right there, the big one. I think it should be okay. I just couldn't manage to get rid of it, but it should be okay. And there is one in the beginning, I think just a very small one. Okay, with the heat from the lamp, it's gonna expand it a little bit and it should be okay. Now, let's close it and give it a test. Video. We really hope this is not our last video. Hold it, yeah. So let's check if the pump is pumping. It is, yeah, I can feel it. So it's just a little blast. Turn the knob off. Do we have everything connected? No. So, sorry, but I'll need to make this. I think, yeah, bottom. It's connected. I was touching it, so I was putting in a amp meter. You can watch my other video how to put the amp meter. Now, let's plug it in. It's plugged on the back. We have the flow as well. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, and now we want it at 8.5, 18, 28, maybe let's say 10%. Okay, and now don't watch there, okay, just watch on the other side. We'll make a test. Okay, and that was the test. I can even see that we have a dot. Let's just stop this thing. It's been through a lot of transportation, but as you can see, we have a dot, and that's the pump working. I'll align the mirrors now. I'll make another video on how to align the mirrors. I hope the video is being helpful to you. That's how you can connect a submergible pump to your laser. It's good, if you're watching now, it's good to have a flow meter checking device. I'll make another video on how to install this as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.